Hi everyone, welcome to Pep Talk India's office, and my name is Khushi Singh, and I can help you today understand and master public speaking style. And now that style is freestyle public speaking. Now, this is something that most of those people who have been wonderful with the people, in a public presence or even in an individual meeting, they just do wonderful job with public speaking. You know why? Because they all curate their own style of speaking to people, and that's what we call here a freestyle public speaking. Now, what does it consider? In freestyle public speaking, ability to talk in the language. Now, which language are you really super duper fluent in? Which language you're very much comfortable in? Which language you can really win heart of the people? Consider that language to get started with. Then comes the confidence. How much confidence you exude when you stand on the stage, and how much confidence you exude when you talk sitting on the chair. So you gotta decide that, and when it happens, forget what people are gonna be thinking, considering, and whatsoever the feeling and the thoughts that's gone on right now in your mind when you're of course thinking about it. But it just goes awesome. Why? Because people like confident people. Okay, this is how it goes. If I am talking to you, if I'm meeting you, and you're comfortable in sitting, so you sit first and then you get started talking to me. Slowly and gradually you rise from your chair and then you stand, and then you showcase the entire body language of yours, your non-verbal communication, and there you go. Because I won't remember how you started. What I'm going to remember is how really and beautifully you brought the amalgamation of everything of public speaking, everything of nonverbal communication, right? And that's what freestyle is. Then comes, what are you fantastic at? Is it the data, facts, or figures, or the stories, or your sense of humor is just amazing? Bring the blend of that. Think about it. Think about Will Smith. He is just fantastic with his sense of humor.
Everywhere in the world, that's Will Smith.
No matter where he's speaking in a university, he is speaking at a public gathering, he's speaking to a just individual person. He never ever fails to exude his sense of humor, because that's his style. That's a freestyle of an individual. So figure out what is your freestyle of public speaking. You're good at data, use it in the very beginning of your talk. You're good at sense of humor, oh God, that's just so awesome. Bring sense of humor in the very beginning of your talk. You feel comfortable, sitting and talking, get started first sitting and talking, and then rise, because slowly and gradually things are gonna be okay. Which language you're good at? Hindi, get started Hindi. Then slowly and gradually, that means after 2 minutes you can become comfortable, and then you jump to the very language that world loves, English. That's a freestyle of public speaking. And how to master that? Well, that we do fantastically. And for that, there's this course, Person to Personality. That journey is just awesome. It is 360-degree transformation that occurs in an individual, including your freestyle public speaking, to the presentation styles, to how you appear, look, and your first impression. Be it anything, it's just a transformation that occurs every single day at the premises of Pep Talk India. So come here and join us. Pep Talk Skills, or Pep Talk Promise, or Person to Personality. 100x return is definitely guaranteed in terms of course, what you go with. That is transformed, transcendent version of yourself. I, Khushi Singh, see ya here at Pep Talk India's premises. Bye-bye.